Hi, this is Ben. Today I'd like to talk about RO pump, RO booster pump. And RO booster pump is used for boosting the water pressure, tap water pressure that goes to RO system. And it is usually a great investment, typically for people who has low water pressure. So their RO water production rate is low, then it is necessary to boost their pressure. Even though the pressure is adequate, usually by using the booster pressure, this booster pump, you can increase the production rate of the RO water. So that's still a great investment. And I'm gonna show how the RO booster pump is set up today. So I'm showing you the booster pump that I'm using. I'm not endorsing or presenting this by any way, but this is just one of booster pump you can buy from Amazon and anywhere else. So I have with this booster pump, usually you have pressure switch. Here is pressure switch. What it does is you cannot let this booster pump run all the time. So the pressure switch here is playing a function of setting the pressure range where this booster pump operates. It sets its maximum pressure. So that means when the pressure reaches that maximum pressure set, that it stops work. And it usually has 15 psi lower than the set pressure, which is minimum pressure. So between that minimum pressure and the maximum pressure that's set, the booster pump only operates. And you can imagine there is a lines between this pressure switch and the booster pump, obviously, because there gotta be signal to chop it off the operation from the pressure switch when the pressure is outside that range. And there is actually small hole here in the pressure switch that you can adjust using Allen wrench. And then when you turn clockwise, it'll increase the pressure setting. So you see that it's a little bit rusty, but you see that. And if you turn counterclockwise, it'll reduce the set pressure. So that's how it works, and that's a great investment. So the pressure where it measures is that pressure that goes to this RO tank. So this is inline. As you see here, pressure switch is inline. So this line actually coming from RO, and then it accumulates the water in this water tank, and then water tank is actually that has some balloon type that as water accumulates, it build up the pressure, so that as water accumulate inside it, the pressure increase, so that this pressure is increasing as water is increasing its level. That's how it works. So in this way, you can always have a full tank by using this setup. And this is great investment because you don't have to worry about fluctuation of your tap water pressure, and you always have a on demand almost water, the RO water for your family. So that's it for today. Any question? Please let me know. Thanks. Bye.